Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily create a timeline for your site in Mobirise. So let's start. Let's just click plus here and you can go like with the timeline steps right here, or you can choose the progress. It's really up to you. But I really like the timeline here. So I will choose this one here, the timeline block. And here we got it. So how we are going to play with it? Let's go with the timeline. 1. Okay. Click on settings. You can go like change the timeline count to like even to 10. And look at this, it's going to be like really long timeline. Then you can just easily just edit the text here, edit the text here, and like edit everything, and also the icons if you would like. Just really choose which one you want. And that's pretty much it. So this is how you can add a timeline here in Mobirise. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. And yeah. Thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.